Um, Tracy. That's right.
The name?
My name is Harry.
Okay, Harry. Now, can you tell me about your favorite sport?
In the past, my favorite sport is badminton, but when I grow up, in nowadays, I watch football a lot and I become to like them.
Okay, and besides doing sport, what kind of activities you often do in your free time?
In the free time, when I don't play sport, I often play games with my friend like football games or sometimes like fighting game on Google.
Okay, is it good to is it good to play it?
Um, I think it's just good if people know how to play. If we play too much, more than 180 minutes a day, it has a bad effect for our health. But if we just play about 30 minutes a day, games can help our brain grow up more better and we can think faster.
Do you think that children nowadays play online games more than traditional games?
Um, I think that's right because traditional game is so boring and when you play on a game you can play with the real people online in the other country so that feel very fantastic.
Okay. Now moving to part two, you are going to describe an activity, a hobby or sport that you like doing. You have 1 minute to read here. Okay, now let's talk about this tradition.
Um, my favorite activities is playing football. In the past, I have studied badminton, but then I have some friends and they give me some advice to study football. They said that very interesting. First, I don't it at first I don't trust in them, but when I go to study football with them, I feel that right because it's very fantastic. When we play football, we had running too much, and I like running too. And you you need to pass the ball running, and when you score, you can celebrate with your teammates with by many kind like um, we can jump up and score that like and that activities have our health become better and that help we decrease the time playing games on phone.
That's it.
Yeah.
What is the most popular sport in your country?
In my country, the most popular sport is football. That's the sport that I am playing
Why?
because it need teammate work like one team had about 6 to 20 people and people need to pass the ball and playing with the other team that trying to stop you and score to your goal.
How important of doing sport in human life?
I think it's very important because without sport, people can people health can decrease because they don't doing sport or exercise too much, so their health can have many problems about hurt or the muscle will be very weak.
Okay, I think this is enough for our speaking test today. You can go back to your classroom. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.